afternoon. Tammera Hollerich here with IBT Consulting and the Insurance Benefits team. I've got a quick story for you. A couple of years ago, I was having these panic attacks and these stress attacks over the Affordable Care Act, imagine that. And I really kind of started freaking out and I thought, oh my gosh, I've got a brain tumor. So called the doctor said, let's just do an MRI. So picked up the phone, started calling imaging centers and asking for details. First question out of their mouth is, who's your insurance? I'm like, really? Okay, whatever. So I say Cigna because that's who it was at the time. And they come back and they go, okay, it's gonna be $3,500. And I'm like, what? Crazy, right? So I hung up the phone, waited 10, 15 minutes, called back and said, hey, my doctor's ordered this MRI. What's it gonna cost? They go, your insurance, please. And I said, I don't have any, I'm paying cash. She goes, $525. I went, what? Are you kidding me? Lesson learned, and one in which I want to pass on to you. Sometimes it's not to your advantage to pay with your insurance card when you can get it for a fraction of the cost. Now, I actually took that conversation one step further when she told me $525, and I said, is that actually the best you can do? She goes, well, if you come between 6 and 8 in the morning, we can do it for $375. Here's what my point is. You may have insurance and you may want to pay with that, but what if you were like me and it turned out to be just fine? I would have paid $3,500 for something that I could have gotten for $375. You need to be aware that that is part of what's going on. They'll tell you, the doctor's office or an imaging center will tell you it's illegal for you to pay cash if you have insurance. That is not a true statement. You can wreck your car and go get it fixed and pay cash and don't have to pay insurance. Why is health insurance any different? It's not. Now, the one area you're not going to be able to get around is when they say, well, it's our policy, our company policy, that if you have insurance, you can't pay cash. That's going to be a little trickier. You might have to just walk out of that place and go someplace else where you can pay cash and file the claim manually yourself. But the option exists, and it is up to us as consumers to be good consumers. And none of this cost is going to get better until we take it into our own hands. Hope this was helpful for you. This is Tammera with IBT Consulting. We look forward to hearing from you. Call us anytime.